yeah. It's a same beat up the people reggae man. Big up my people, live a nation. We strong, we proud, we not back down. Listen to the sound of the Igbo nation now. The people strong like the lion roar. From Anioma to everywhere. We are warriors, the spirit high. Igbo Kwenu, that's our cry. We hustle hard, we rise above. The land of unity, the land of love. Onye only say we full of grace. From the markets to the worldwide space. Igbo Kwenu, hey. Igbo Kwenu, hey. We not fall, we stand tall every day. Igbo Kwenu, hey. Igbo Kwenu, hey. From Nigeria to the world, we pave the way. In the village or the city, we not afraid. Igbo man make sure him bills get paid. Igbo Kwenu, hey. Igbo Kwenu, hey. From Nigeria to the world, we pave the way. In the village or the city, we not afraid. Igbo man make sure him bills get paid. From business minds to the culture deep, we sow the seeds, then we reap. Neka, the strength of a mother's hand. Papa, the wisdom make the children stand. We unite in peace, fight for the right. The Igbo, we shining bright. Igbo Kwenu, hey. Igbo Kwenu, hey. We not fall, we stand tall every day. Igbo Kwenu, hey. Igbo Kwenu, hey. From Nigeria to the world, we pave the way. Chineke na edu anyi, we never alone. We follow tradition, we call it our own. I put the Igbo, heart full of pride. We not hide, we step up in stride. Igbo Kwenu, onye mentality. We live in respect, the roots run deep. The big of the people in every street. I engage in Keka, we not retreat. From the back in days to the now we rise. Still we push forward, wisdom in our eyes. In the Anioma, we make things grow. The Igbo spirit, them can't overthrow. St. Peter, a chant in the nationwide. Igbo blood need not leave that pride.